In today's video, I will teach you how to make an easy RGB split or glitch effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now make two copies of the photo by right-clicking on the image and select Duplicate Layer, or simply hit Ctrl-J on your keyboard 2 times. Once you've duplicated the image twice, go ahead and right-click on any of the two copies and select Blending option. Here, disable the blue and green channels under the Advanced Blending and leave the red channel enabled. Now, click OK and press Ctrl key while pressing either the left or right arrow key on your keyboard to move the image to the side. Alternatively, you can also hide the layer above the image by clicking on the eye icon on its layer and click and drag on the edited image to reveal the red tinted image. Once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and make the layer above visible again and right-click on it, select Blending options, and this time disable both green and red channels and leave the blue channel enabled and click OK. Go ahead and move the blue tinted layer to your liking. If you're satisfied with the image, you can now go ahead and save it to your computer. But if you would like to make it better, go ahead and search Glitch Overlay on your browser and save the image of your choice and open it in Photoshop. Now, drag the tab of the image and drag the image to your glitched photo. Adjust the size and select your preferred blending option. And I highly recommend using Lighten, Screen, Color Dodge, Linear Dodge, or lighter color, then adjust the opacity to your liking. And there you go. You can now have a glitched photo in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.